Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Best Reggae Album nominees for the Grammy 2019. And the nominees are as follows: Black Euro, As the World Turns, Etana, Reggae Forever, Ziggy Marley, Rebellion Rises, Protege, A Matter of Time, Sting and Shaggy, 4487. So those are the 5 reggae artists that have been nominated for a Grammy. So let's get into some facts about the Grammys and how the albums are actually chosen. And it says, what are eligibility requirements for nomination? For the 61st Annual Grammy Awards, album must be released between October 1st of 2017 and September 30th of 2018. Recordings must be commercially released in general distribution in the United States. Example, sales by a label to a branch or recognized independent distributor, via the internet or mail order, retail sales for a nationally marketed product. Recordings must be available for sale from any date within the eligibility period throughout at least the date of the current year's voting deadline. Final ballot. And a lot of people are going to say, why wasn't a few person album not nominated, like recent albums releases by Beres Hammond, Never Ending, and Lee Scratch Perry? The Black album were released after the September 30th, and that's why they weren't nominated, but they have a chance to be nominated for the 62 Grammy Awards. The 61st Annual Grammy Awards will be held on February 10th, 2019 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles. And now we're going to be talking about some facts about some of the persons that were nominated for Best Reggae Album. And it says, Etana, first nomination, 4th female nomination ever. Judy Mont, that was 1986. Rita Marley, 1992. And Sister Coral, 1997, were nominated, but they did not win. This is Protege's first Grammy nomination, and that is very surprising to a lot of people. First nomination for Sting in the reggae category. Shaggy, 5th nomination. He won in 1996 with Bombastic. Black Uru won the first ever reggae. Black Uru won the first ever reggae Grammy in 1985. Ziggy Marley holds the record for the most Best Reggae Album wins, which he has 7. So let's talk about all the persons that have won a Grammy since 2000. And 2000 winner was Burning Spear, and his album was Calling Rastafari. 2001, Beenie Man, Art and Life. 2002, Damian Marley, Halfway Tree. 2003, Lee Perry, Jamaican E.T. 2004, Sean Paul, Dirty Rock. 2005, Toots and the Maytals, True Love. 2006, Damian Marley, Welcome to Jamrock. Dogs where them songs them camp out 2 pound a weed in a van back, it in a your knapsack, yellow. So 2007, Ziggy Marley, Love Is My Religion. 2008, Stephen Marley, Mind Control. 2009, Burning Spear, Jah Is Real. 2010, Stephen Marley, Mind Control Acoustic. 2011, Buju Banton, Before the Dawn. 2012, Stephen Marley, Revelation Part 1, The Root of Life. 2013, Jimmy Cliff, Rebirth. 2014, Ziggy Marley, In Concert. 2015, Ziggy Marley, Fly Rasta. 2016, Morgan Heritage, Strictly Roots. 2017, Ziggy Marley, and the album was called Ziggy Marley. 2018, Damian Jr. Gang Marley, Stony Hill. So what I want my subscribers to do is to tell me if you heard any of these reggae albums and which one do you think is the best and which one do you think is going to win. And those reggae albums are Black Uru, As the World Runs, Etana, Reggae Forever, Ziggy Marley, Rebellion Rises, Protege, As a Matter of Time, and Sting and Shaggy 4487. Which one do you think is going to win? And which one have you listened to, if you have listened to any, and which one would you recommend me to listen to? So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.